Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove camera watermark in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and try to take a picture. Here I am going to take this picture. Okay, and open the picture that you took. And if you see any watermark printed in bottom left side or right side or wherever on your photo, that means already watermark is set to your photos. Okay, so here in bottom left side I see my website name called www.facultyon.com. so I would like to remove this watermark for future photos. So what I have to do, just follow this video. You can also do it like what I here doing. Okay, first go to the camera, then go to this 3 horizontal line and go to settings icon of camera here and go to watermark, and just here turn off general watermark option, and so that watermark will not be available for future photos. Okay, so I go back and now I am taking a picture. I am taking this picture. And open the picture that you took. See the result. There is no watermark available. Watermark is removed from your phone. In this way, that is watermark is turned off, so future photos will not have any watermark. In this way, you can easily remove camera watermark in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.